Hello. I've been asked a few times if this jig will work on a rebated door lining. It's designed to sit flat on the lining, because normally, unless it's joinery, the frames don't come in pre-rebated. But what you could do, so the stop's been planted on this door, so this is pulled out the rebate, so that cabin is set, already rebated, and I want to use that jig on there. All I have to do is find something, same thickness as the rebate, plant that on my jig, we'll keep it, let it twist. You just have to get longer pins, and you just have to get a longer out bit. Obviously this bit will be cut out, but yeah, you could make it work quite easily.